How to delete Life360 account. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talk. If you are looking forward to delete a Life360 account, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open Life360 app on a device. Now here on top left hand side of your screen, you will find settings icon, so tap on it. And then tap on account. And here on middle of your screen, on account management section, you will find this option to delete account, so tap on it. And here you will see this page, so here simply scroll down all the way to bottom. And then tap on this yes icon from the above. Again tap on continue. And once you do that, your account will be deleted. However, you will need to verify it. So last thing you need to do is, it will send you a verification email on your email address. So all you need to do is go back and then open your Gmail app. And here you can see I have got this email from Life360, so simply tap on it. And if you scroll down here, you will see a link. So simply tap on the link and open it. And once you open it, you will see this page, verify your identity. So simply tap on verify email. And there you go, your identity has been verified and your account deletion will be processed now. So this is how you can delete Life360 account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.